Welcome to the Tibetan Sorig Luksung Clinic, a premier center for Tibetan medical healing and therapy founded by the esteemed Dr. Geshe Purbutsiringla. Our clinic is honored to have been named and blessed by His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama. As a special blessing to initiate this endeavor, His Holiness presented us with an idol of Gyalwa Tsepak Me crafted from gold and bronze, and a blessed Thanga bearing his own signature. These extraordinary and auspicious symbols greatly honor our mission. Following the guidance of His Holiness to help cure and serve humanity through Tibetan Sorig, traditional Tibetan herbal medicine, our clinic combines modern amenities with traditional Tibetan therapeutic practices to address the root causes of various health issues. Thoughtfully designed to uplift the spirits of our patients, the clinic provides an exceptional care environment. At the Tibetan Sorig Luksung Clinic, we adhere strictly to Tibetan Sorig healing techniques, utilizing primarily Tibetan herbal medicines. Our treatments include medicinal steam therapy. Medicinal steam therapy is mentioned in the 4 Tibetan medical Tantra treatises. The benefits and medicinal value of steam or vapors from pure natural boiling water and steam from boiling medicinal water are well documented. Known for its healing and ability to address external biological ailments and internal psychological issues, it is considered a mild therapy. 2. Medicinal bath therapy. Medicinal bath therapy is also found in the 4 Tibetan medical treatises. Submerging the body under plain natural water and medicinal extracts at the appropriate temperature helps maintain normal blood circulation, offering numerous benefits as mentioned in the text. 3. Kunye therapy. According to the 4 Tibetan medical treatises, applying oils and butter alone or mixed with medicinal herbs helps maintain the balance of external muscles, ligaments, skin, nerve disorders, and internal circulation. This involves rubbing and massaging the muscles, skin, and bones using fists, palms, elbows, and other methods, making it a beneficial mild therapy known as Kunyan therapy. Acupuncture. Acupuncture therapy involves the 5 internal essentials, including the brain, 6 vessels related to the external branches of the nervous system, and secret points. By applying needles to specific acupuncture points, it can eliminate diseases related to these points. It is known as the acupuncture therapy. 5. Thuina massage. Originating from traditional Chinese medicine, Thuina massage balances muscles, the nervous system, and bone disorientation. By applying pressure using elbows and wooden tools, this therapy clears air passages and brings physical comfort to the patient, thus known as Thuina massage therapy. 6. Chiropractic care. Chiropractic therapy deals primarily with the spinal vertebrae, fixing bone locations and applying pressure to small, medium, and large joints. It alleviates pain, corrects disoriented joints, and releases trapped air between bones. 7. Bloodletting, Tar. A unique therapy in Tibetan medicine, bloodletting was popular in ancient times for treating humans and animals. This method involves diagnosing and treating poisonous blood by letting it out, addressing various diseases caused by blood poisoning. Conveniently located, our clinic aims to serve the community by making holistic healthcare accessible. We invite you to support our new clinic and look forward to serving you in treating your ailments. Together, let us embark on a journey towards holistic health and well-being.